You study hard, you learn enough. You may have done all the possible things to remember vocabulary, but after a short period of time, you forget. Study says if you learn vocabulary in the right order with pictures, so your mind can memorize them easily and you will be able to remember them for a long time. Author and one of the best English speaking persons, Shashi Tharoor, says if you learn vocabulary by reading and listening, you don't need to open the dictionary and you can use them in the sentences while speaking and writing. So keeping all the above facts in my mind, I have made a trick in which I will teach you vocabulary in the right order with their meanings, picture, and also you will learn how to use them in the sentences. So without any delay, let's straight jump into the video, and if you like the video, so please share it and subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Vocabularies you will learn throughout the story is mentioned below. Trick to remember vocab in the right order is again corona. As you can see clearly that there are 11 letters in the again corona, and with each letters we will learn a new vocab. The first letter of again is A, and which means altar, G for grudge, A for uprise, I for Inca, and for notion. The first letter of corona is C, which for cure, followed by O, obsess, R for refrain, O for omission, N for novelty, and A for apt. Now let's see the meaning and the pictures of these vocabularies inside the story. One more important thing is that at the end of the day, when you think that what I have learned throughout the story, so just think this word again corona and try to recall the vocabularies by its letter. It will save your time and you can remember them vocabulary easily. It was Sunday evening. I was watching India's previous cricket match highlights until my cousin ordered me to alter the channel. He loves to watch the news and doesn't let anyone watch other programs. Alter means make changes, make different, in Hindi, badalna. Arnav Goswami was on the show. Again Corona was the title of the show of that night. He had grudges for the Shiv Sena government as cases of corona were increasing day by day in Maharashtra and the government doing nothing to stop the spread of it. He had not only grudges for the Shiv Sena government but also for the spokesperson who did not allow Arnav to speak on his show and had spoken more than 10 seconds continuously. In those 10 seconds, she failed to give the answer of what India wants to know, which made Arnav angrier. Grudges means hard feelings, bitterness, dissatisfaction. In Hindi, narazgi. Arnav shouted loudly, I want to apprise you all of you people that the Shiv Sena government has completely failed to stop the spread of corona. Therefore, Arnav wants to resign to Uddhav Thackeray. Apprise means inform or tell someone. In Hindi, batana. I almost laughed. How these people inca him yaar. Daily they come on his show and daily Arnav insults them. Don't they have self-respect? Doesn't their ego hurts? Don't they have shame? I asked my cousin. He gave a slight smile in reply. Incur means endure ya bear. In Hindi, sehna. I thought everybody is in home today. I should try to know the notion of everyone on rising corona cases and vaccines. Notion means belief about something, opinion, belief, या thought. In Hindi, vichar. First of all, I asked my grandfather, Dadaji, if you get affected by corona, will you go to the hospital? No way, I will take all the precautions and get cured at home itself, but never go to the hospital. The doctors have made it their business. They are just looting us and making fools to the public. Cure means relief of the symptoms of a disease or condition. Treatment in Hindi, ilaj. I partially agreed with him and then went to ask my younger brother who was busy with Netflix. He was obsessed with Netflix since the lockdown imposed last year. Obsessed means when you cannot think of anything else. In Hindi, जुनून सवार होना. His opinion was beyond my imagination. He was ready to refrain from watching Netflix but had no interest to take the vaccine. I gave him a strange look. I thought, the person who is obsessed with Netflix, not ready to think about others, not having time to eat his food, talking about refraining from Netflix? It means the government still has to do something different to make people believe in vaccines and with their belief. Refrain means to stop yourself doing something, avoid, in Hindi, परहेज करना. Meanwhile, I got a call from my girlfriend. She wanted to meet me the next day. Without thinking and understanding, I agreed. Soon, I realized that it was my high profile omission to say yes as she requested me for shopping. I had no money because it was month end. I offered her a movie, dinner, a ride, etc., which was under my budget instead of shopping. Omission means chook. In English, fault या mistake. These things are no longer a novelty for us. I will go only shopping. She was not ready to understand and rejected my all excuses. Novelty means something new and unusual. Newness in Hindi, nayapan. Then I came up with an apt excuse which made her agree. I told her that tomorrow is Sunday and the government has imposed a lockdown on every Sunday and no shops will be open. So how can we go for? We will go another day definitely. I made her fake promise and cut the call. Apt means appropriate, suitable, in Hindi, uchit. These are the vocabularies we learn throughout the story. So please pause the video and revise again. Congratulations, we have learned most important vocabularies with the help of trick and story. If you love the video, so please comment, share and join our YouTube family by subscribe to our channel Go On Buddy. Meet you in the next video with some more tricks and vocab. Till then, enjoy.